What would I do if I was a millionaire? Well, £1 million isn't so much money these days. An average house near London costs about £500,000. But with that money, I could buy a nice big house in the country. I could decorate it nicely, get some nice furniture, and hire a cleaner and a gardener. Then I could get a car, a new one, not a second-hand one, a dog, and some horses. I think that would cost all my money, though, so I would still have to work. But that's okay. I enjoy my job. I wouldn't quit that for all the money in the world.
What I do with £1 million? Well, first I would quit my university course in finance. It's really boring. With £1 million, I wouldn't have to worry about studying something sensible and getting a safe job. I'd study something creative, like jewellery making or fashion design. I'd get myself a little studio with lots of really good equipment. I'd hire some nice people to work with, and we'd work if we felt creative. Or just relax and chat and drink tea. We wouldn't make much money, but that doesn't matter. I wouldn't spend all the £1 million. I'd save some so that I didn't have to worry about earning more.
If I had £1 million, well, first I'd go on a big trip around the world. There are so many places I'd love to visit. I'd go hiking in the Himalayas, I'd go on safari in Africa, and I'd learn to scuba dive and to sail. I'd have some amazing experiences. Then I'd come back home and I'd buy a classic car and a motorbike and a house somewhere nice. And then, well, I think I'd be bored. I'd probably be lonely all day because all my friends would be working. So I'd probably give the rest of the money to charity and have a normal life.